I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Make sure you're signed in and the YouTube app or browser is updated to the latest release. Once done, force close the app and restart your device to clear transient glitches. Next, clear the app cache from settings. This removes corrupt temporary files. If you're on Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data. If on mobile, try Wi-Fi. These quick moves fix most interface problems fast and show whether the issue is local or network related. Once basic steps don't restore the search bar, move into deeper fixes. You should reinstall the YouTube app, uninstall then install again. This replaces damaged components. On desktop, disable browser extensions or open an incognito window to test if an extension blocks the UI. Reset app preferences if available, and make sure the app has necessary permissions like storage. Also verify your device OS is up to date, because outdated systems can break compatibility with new YouTube UI elements. To finish, sign out of YouTube and sign back in. This refreshes your profile settings. If that fails, try a different Google account or another device to determine whether the problem is account-specific or device-specific. When nothing fixes it, use YouTube Help and send feedback with screenshots. This flags the issue to engineers. One key troubleshooting tip: test the same account on a friend's phone or desktop. If the search bar appears there, focus repairs on your original.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.